Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add transition in Canva presentation. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add transition in Canva presentation. I have this presentation and as you can see here it's 11 pages. Okay, now to add the transition. Here is the first page and here is the second page. Between first and second page, you can see here add transition. Just click on it. And after that, you select the transition you want. For example, this one, dissolve, here slide, here circle, wipe, color wipe. Okay, now for example, color wipe. And then here you can adjust the duration. For example, 2 seconds. And here the direction, right, left, up, down. And you can also change the color. And after that, now for example, you want to add transition for the next page. Okay, here second page and third page, and here between them, click add transition, and here is the same. Just select the transition you want. For example, here this time line wipe, and the duration is 1 second. The direction up, and here match and move. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add transition in Canva presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.